Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. I'm here with a new video on how to reset the password on Gmail. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After that, you need to go in the search bar that is on the top and type Gmail. When you have typed Gmail, press enter in your keyboard. After that, you just need to enter in the first search result. So click here, and your Gmail will be opened, and in the top right corner there is a symbol or icon. You just need to click on it, and after that you need to enter or click on the add another account when you scroll down a little bit. So add another account. Now you need to enter the email that you want to reset the password. So I'll just write the email. When I have entered the email, now I just need to press on the next button. I click here, and here is the password section where you will enter your password. So in order to reset the password, you just need to click on the forget password section. Just click on the forget password. After that, Gmail has said that they have recognized me as I have signed in into this device by this account previously also. So now they are asking me to update the password or continue. I'll just update my password because I want to reset the password as well because I've already forgotten it. Now I'll create my new password. Now I'll confirm the password, and when I have created the new password and confirmed it, I'll just click on the save password button that is right down here. I'll just click on it, and as you can see, my password has been changed successfully. So this is how you can easily reset your password on your Gmail account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.